Welcome to Beautyistic, your ultimate destination for all things beauty and skincare. I'm so excited to have you here today because we're diving into a topic that's all about giving your skin that flawless, radiant glow we all crave. Today we're doing something special, a countdown of the top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers. These high-tech devices are transforming skincare routines everywhere, and if you're not already using one, well, you might just want to after today. The power of these tools is truly incredible, from deep pore cleansing to promoting smoother, more radiant skin without any harsh treatments. But with so many options out there, it can get overwhelming to figure out which one will actually deliver on its promises. So I've done the heavy lifting for you, and in just a moment, we'll jump into the countdown of the very best of the best. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5 in our countdown of the top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers, we have the ANLAN Blackhead Remover for Face, the ultimate pore extractor vacuum that combines microbubble cleaning technology with 3 adjustable suction levels. What if you could achieve professional-level facial treatments right at home without ever stepping foot in a spa? Well, that's exactly what the ANLAN Blackhead Remover offers. This device uses innovative microbubble technology that combines gentle suction with water-oxygen circulation. What does that mean for your skin? It means a deep cleanse that not only clears your pores, but also hydrates and rejuvenates your skin in the process. The real magic here is its versatility. With 3 suction levels, low, medium, and high, this tool is suitable for all skin types, whether you're dry, oily, or have sensitive skin. You get to customize your treatment to your specific needs, making it the perfect solution for those stubborn blackheads, whiteheads, and pimples that just won't budge. One of the standout features of this blackhead remover is its dual water reservoir design. It has separate compartments for clean and dirty water, ensuring hygiene and maximum efficiency. You can enjoy a more effective dirt removal experience while keeping both your skin and the device spotless. What if you could keep your skin clear and smooth with minimal effort? With the Anland Pore Extractor, it's possible. It gently lifts impurities from deep within your pores, leaving you with a fresh, glowing complexion. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for on-the-go use, whether you're traveling or just squeezing in a quick beauty session at home. This device is not just effective, it's also safe. Its soft silicone tips make it suitable for even the most sensitive skin, preventing irritation while delivering a thorough, deep cleanse. Ready to say goodbye to blackheads and pimples? If this tool sounds like something you need in your beauty routine, don't wait. The ANLAN Blackhead Remover might be the exact solution you've been looking for. And if you like what you've learned, don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert tips and reviews, because your skin deserves the best. Coming in at number 4 on our list of top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers, the Skin Scrubber Face Skin Spatula is a game changer when it comes to deep cleansing and skincare. This innovative tool is designed to tackle everything from blackheads to clogged pores, offering a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own home. Imagine effortlessly lifting impurities and dead skin cells from your face while promoting better absorption of your favorite skincare products. With 4 adjustable modes, deep cleansing, lifting, and 2 others that enhance nutrient absorption, you can customize your treatment to your skin's specific needs. Whether you're after a thorough cleanse or want to boost your skincare routine, this device has you covered. And don't worry about timing your sessions. The Skin Scrubber has a 5-minute auto-off feature, ensuring you don't overdo it and providing peace of mind. Plus, it's rechargeable, portable, and easy to carry, so you can take it wherever you go, keeping your skin looking fresh on the go. Made of 100% stainless steel, it's safe, effective, and ready for daily use. So, if you're tired of struggling with stubborn blackheads or dull skin, this skin scrubber might just be your next must-have beauty tool. Want to experience it for yourself? Grab yours today and level up your skincare game. Don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more amazing products like this. Ranking at number 3 in our top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers, The GUGUG Skin Scrubber Face Spatula is designed to transform your skincare routine, leaving you with smoother, clearer skin. This device offers 4 specialized modes, each crafted to tackle specific skin concerns, from blackheads to clogged pores, ensuring a professional-level treatment in your own home. Start your facial journey with the Cleaning and Ion Plus mode, perfect for deep cleansing with your favorite cleanser or toner. The Ion mode then helps your skincare products penetrate deeper, maximizing their effectiveness. Finish your routine with the Lifting mode to enhance skin elasticity and boost circulation, leaving your skin feeling rejuvenated and revitalized. With a 5-minute auto-off feature, this device ensures you don't overdo it, making it safe and efficient. Plus, the anti-touch design prevents accidental activation, giving you peace of mind during use. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and comes with 2 silicone replacement heads for longer-lasting performance. What's more, the GUGUG Skin Scrubber is perfect for all skin types. Just make sure to use it on moist skin for the best results. For a smoother, clearer, and more youthful complexion, this device is an excellent choice. Ready to elevate your skincare game? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more expert reviews and tips from Beautyistic. Are you enjoying the countdown of the top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers? If you're loving these pore perfect picks, don't forget to scrub that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a deep clean. Coming in at number 2 in our top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers, the Dermaflash Dermapore Plus Ultrasonic 2-in-1 Pore Extractor and Serum Infuser is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine. This device combines 2 powerful functions in one sleek pen-sized tool. Imagine instantly extracting impurities from your pores while infusing your skin with the nourishing serum of your choice. The Dermapore Plus delivers this in a simple yet effective step, helping to clear out clogged pores while boosting your skincare regimen for visibly healthier, smoother skin. With its high-frequency ultrasonic technology, the device is safe for all skin types, gently removing debris without irritation. It also helps your skincare products penetrate deeper, making them more effective, so you get more out of every product you apply. But that's not all. The Dermapore Plus is also designed for convenience. Its lightweight, blush-colored design makes it easy to use at home or on the go, and its ergonomic shape fits comfortably in your hand for precise control. You can say goodbye to clogged pores and dull skin in just a few minutes a day. Looking to give your skin the deep clean and serum infusion it deserves? The Dermaflash Dermapore Plus is exactly what you need to bring professional-level results to your skincare routine. If you liked what you learned, make sure to subscribe for more expert insights from Beautyistic. Ranked number 1 in our top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers, the PMD Wave Pro is not just another skincare tool. It's a revolution in how you care for your skin. If you're looking to clear your pores, eliminate blackheads, and boost the absorption of your favorite skincare products, this device is a must-have. The PMD Wave Pro utilizes advanced SonicGlow vibration and E-Wave technology, which work together to deeply cleanse and exfoliate your skin. Imagine removing blackheads and congestion from your pores without harsh squeezing or irritation. This device gently lifts and extracts impurities, leaving your skin smoother, clearer, and more radiant. This professional-grade skin spatula is designed for all skin types, targeting everything from enlarged pores to stubborn blackheads. Its unique ability to infuse skincare products after extraction ensures that your serums and moisturizers penetrate deeper, working more effectively than ever before. The PMD Wave Pro is incredibly easy to use and delivers visible results in just minutes. With its sleek, ergonomic design, it fits comfortably in your hand, making each treatment session feel like a luxurious spa experience. Whether you're dealing with oily skin, clogged pores, or just looking to give your skin a fresh, rejuvenating boost, the PMD Wave Pro is the solution you've been waiting for. Ready to experience flawless, clear skin? The PMD Wave Pro is your ultimate skincare companion. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and keep tuning in for more expert skincare tips from Beautyistic. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the top 5 best ultrasonic skin scrubbers. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.